Hello, and today I will be teaching you the notes on the piano. So, throughout the whole piano, you'll find that there will be a specific pattern that pops up a lot. And this pattern is going to be the two black keys right here, followed by another three row of black keys right here. This pattern always pops up a lot. As you can see, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here, it's right here, and it's right here. So, whenever you see a pattern like this, there's a really quick way of identifying a note. So whenever you see this pattern, you see that there's two black keys, and if you move to the left one time from this first black key, you will find that you get this note. As you can see, this note pops up everywhere where there is a pattern. And by now you should probably know that these notes have names. So this specific note to the left of the first black key in this whole pattern, this is called C. Now, C is always the main note whenever you're playing piano. Most of the time, you'll hear this note a lot more than the other notes, because piano has a notation, and whenever you're playing, you should know that what you're aiming for is playing in middle C. So I don't have a real piano to show you, but middle C should be somewhere around the middle of the piano, hence its name. So now that you know where C should be located, now let's name the other notes. How do you identify the other notes? Well, you can just move after you identify from C. So let's say you want to find D. So the alphabet goes in order of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if you start from C, which is the main note, you can just go with the alphabet. So C, D, E, F, G. So whenever you want to identify a note, just start from C in the alphabet. First, find where C is on the piano, and then start from C in the alphabet and go right for each letter you need. And after a while of identifying it this way, you'll find that you have already memorized where the notes are. So let's just say you get to G, and there is no, it goes from C, D, E, F, G. But then after it gets to G, it stops. You don't keep going in the alphabet, because whenever you get to G, it resets back to A. So all you have to remember is first of all, you identify C with the way that I told you. And after identifying it, you count to the right until you get to G. And when you get to G, you know that you stop in the alphabet and you reset back to A. So you'll find that in the whole piano, there's going to be a pattern. It'll be going A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and then back to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So I wouldn't recommend this way to identify notes on the piano, because the main note is C, it's not A. So whenever you want to identify a note, I would recommend you look at C first, and then count to the right until you get to G and reset back to A. And then you'll find that you have memorized all of the white keys on the piano, and you can easily identify them.